This is the medicinal brinjal plant. It is called Kandangatri in Tamil. Its scientific name is Solanum xanthocarpum. Do comment what it is called in your language. I have taken a handful of the vegetables. Even the green colored ones are cooked. Let us start preparing this brinjal for cooking. Cut the leafy head out first. Then slice it into half. Notice the seeds present in this brinjal. Similarly, cut the rest of the brinjals. Once cut into half, soak them in water. This step is important in cooking medicinal brinjal. Without soaking in water, medicinal brinjal can be harsh on throat. One can also cut the brinjal in quarter like this. Allow it to soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Once soaked, let us remove the seeds of this brinjal. For this, we will use the back side of a spoon. First, squeeze the brinjal like a lemon. Then, using the spoon, scoop out the seeds easily. Do the same for the rest of the brinjal. Now, cut the brinjal into small pieces. This is an optional step. The skin of the medicinal brinjal is very hard. It will be ideal to use scissors here to cut them. They can also be placed vertically like this and cut easily. The size of the medicinal brinjal can be too small to handle them. Once cut, we will cook them. Let us see how to cook them deliciously. Using an iron kadai is ideal to cook this vegetable. Set the flame to low. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of cow ghee. Wait for the ghee to heat up well. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And a pinch of turmeric powder to the hot ghee. Once the cumin is well roasted, add the brinjals. Saute it on a low flame until it is cooked. The skin of the medicinal brinjal is thick. It can take few minutes to cook even a small quantity. Hence it is necessary to put the flame on low to avoid burning the brinjal. Add some crushed peppercorns for taste here. Even if taken in small quantity, it is very healthy. This brinjal is very good for correcting breathing issues. Medicinal brinjal is used in Ayurveda and Siddha medicines to correct breathing issues. brinjal is cooked well when its skin shrinks a bit. When deep fried, its skin will turn light brown. Add salt for taste once it is cooked. This vegetable can also be taken during cold and cough attacks. Add in a bowl of rice to it and mix well. The medicinal brinjal rice is now ready. Do try this recipe. It is very beneficial to health. This yummy dish is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching.